I have been a freelance video editor since June of 2022. When I first started, I did $20 per video project to now in December 2024, where I hit my first $10,000 month as a freelance video editor. And in this video, I'm going to talk about my freelance video editing career so far. My name is Ethan Weems and I am a freelance video editor, and what I mainly do for my clients is I edit their short form content. I've been freelance video editing since June of 2022, but really I've been editing since 2016. When I was in high school from 2016 to 2020, I picked up a camera and I made fun YouTube videos with my brother and friends. And this is where my editing passion begun because I really enjoyed making these fun videos, and these will be memories that I will see for the rest of my life. So I filmed and edited tons of videos in high school, which I will remember forever. And also throughout high school, I took digital media and broadcast classes, and I really enjoyed these classes because I learned more about filming, video editing, and all that kind of stuff. So when taking these classes, this is where my passion grew more and more because I knew that I could potentially have a career in this field. And let me just say, these were my favorite elective classes that I took in high school. So I graduated high school in 2020, and this is when the pandemic happened. So I did online college for a few years. And during this time, I posted on social media, and this is where I made DoorDash content. And again, this is where I filmed my own life and I posted it online, and I garnered millions of views during this period. And I actually had a few articles written on myself, so I can find them. Then I will have the screenshots pop up here on the screen. But during this time, this really opened my mind to the social media world, doing DoorDash content, and I had a few articles reach out to me, and I really had a passion when I made all these short form videos. I then realized in June of 2022, I could monetize this service. And this is when I landed my first ever short form editing client, and I took it on for $20 an hour. And I'm from Kansas, so this role was really good for where I was at that time. And when you're starting out as a freelance video editor, definitely take on any price you can so you can get your name out there. My first client, I edited for him for about half a year, and then we stopped working together due to some drama. So if you want to hear that story, then let me know down below in the comments and I'd love to share that. But also throughout 2022, I started working with 2 other clients, and this is where the snowball effect just started happening. And I was extremely happy doing this because this meant I was DoorDashing less and editing more. Then going into March of 2023, I landed my biggest client ever, and I still work with him till this day. And the best part about it, I did not reach out to this client. He reached out to me because I had a social media presence. So he DM'd me asking for my video rates. And this is why having a social media presence is so important, so you can get inbound messages from potential prospects. So if you're a video editor, you need to market yourself online. It's free to make organic content and show your personality because people work with people they like and trust, and posting content about yourself is really important for that. And when I say one connection can truly change your life, it can, because that happened to me. This client I work with till this day, and he has given me so many opportunities through his video production agency, and I honestly couldn't be more grateful to have been working with him for almost 2 years now. And I work with him on a minimum monthly retainer, so I at least know what I'm going to make. But with his company, there are sometimes more opportunities every month, so he just outsources all the files to me. I edit it up and I send it over to him. Also, another skill that I'm utilizing is being a social media manager, and I also help his YouTube channel and a client through his agency with managing their YouTube channels. And honestly, this is something I actually really enjoy because I've always posted on social media, so using that skill with clients is definitely important, and it broadens my skill set. And the more skills you can offer, the more money you're ultimately going to make. So if you're a video editor, you can offer posting on their social medias, content ideation, thumbnail graphic design, and so much more. As I'm filming this, it is December of 2024, and this was the busiest month I've ever had. And this month was my first ever $10,000 month, and saying that number is surreal to think about. And I've technically made $11,000 this month, but I still have a few invoices that haven't been sent yet. So when you're messaging with potential prospects, you want to find what their pain point is. Before this client met me, his biggest pain point was he was video editing everything, and he just did not have enough time to go film events and edit everything. And this is where I came in, and it was just the right place at the right time. He wanted more time to be able to go film events in Los Angeles, and this is where I come in. He outsources all the files to me using frame.io, which I highly recommend that tool. It saves a really big headache when communicating about video revisions, and it's all right there in one platform. This one connection really changed the direction of my career and also my life. And in November of 2023, he actually flew my wife and I out to Los Angeles, and we met him. I've never been to Los Angeles, and he showed us around LA, and this was a really big eye-opening experience. And let me just say, flying out to LA was the biggest blessing ever. It really opened my eyes to how the internet can change your life, and it can for your life too. Whether you want to be a video editor, a thumbnail designer, or even some type of virtual assistant assistant role. There are so many essential roles that are critical now with the new creator economy. So market yourself online, and I promise you one day a connection can change your life. If you're still watching this video, I really appreciate you watching. And as a video editor myself, I am extremely grateful to hit my first ever $10,000 month, as this is extremely hard for anyone in life to do, no matter what job you have. For the longest time, I was at the $2,000 to $5,000 range, and this year I've been steadily at $5,000 to $9,000 a month, and this month I got really lucky with hitting $10,000 per month with more opportunities coming my way. But if you're a video editor, let me know in the comments what's the highest amount you've made in a month. I'm really interested to see what other video editors have made in their highest performing month. And I actually have a free Discord community in the description below where we can all give free value to each other. So I highly recommend joining that if you want any tips. We are almost to 2025, so that means we are going to be grinding even more of a video editing and more side hustles. So if you have not already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video.